Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Engineer Masood Akhtar Kiani, and today we have the technical session number 27, which is fly ash bricks. So before going ahead, I would like to request you to subscribe the videos in order to next video will reach to you with easy access. So what is the fly ash bricks? Fly ash bricks is a building material, especially masonry unit containing class C or class F fly ash concrete. Compressed at 28 days megapascal compressed at 28 megapascal, 272 atoms, 272 ASTM, and the cured in a 24 hours in a 66-degree steam bath. The toughness and the air entrainment agents, the bricks can be lost for more than 100 freeze the cycles. Raw material of the fly ash bricks are the lighter and the stronger than the clay bricks, and the ingredients are included fly ash, which is from the coal consumption factories, coal burning consumption factories, water, quick lime, and the lime sludge, cement, aluminate powder, and the gypsum. The coal factories, when they are burning and they are like the microsilica, the aluminum fume is working and fume accumulated. So this is also the same procedure. The burning coal is accumulated and changed into a fly ash, which is the gray color, and it makes the texture of the internal structure of the fly ash bricks is very close, and it makes the products impermeable, not the permeable as like the concrete. The water penetration is very high, and water cannot penetrate easily in the products. So this is the example of the autoclaved increased hardness of the blocks and the promoting quick curing of the cement. 90% fly ash, 8% lime, 2% gypsum, and 86% fly ash, 4% cement, and 8% lime, 2% gypsum. So this is the percentage ratio of the mixed paste, which is using in order to make the fly ash bricks product. Fly ash bricks comparison of the clay bricks and the fly ash bricks. The comparison also shows the water absorption is in red bricks is 15 to 25%, whereas in fly ash 10 to 14%. Dimension stability very low in red bricks and very high tolerance in the fly ash bricks. Wastage during the workmanship 10% in the red bricks, and the fly ash is 2%. Plastering on the both sides of the wall, it is very less in the fly ash, whereas in red bricks is little bit more than the fly ash bricks. Fly ash bricks are lighter in weight and less costly than the clay bricks, because fly ash bricks are prepared in the mold and the plant with the certain percentage like the concrete, whereas the bricks are handmade and mostly used semi-manual, semi-automatic devices, but you can say 90% it is manual and baked in the oven, the burning, firing, and the heating and like the oven. Fly ash bricks are made waste of material which are coming from the combustion of the coal in the thermal power plant. They are environmentally friendly because maximum constituent is fly ash, and the fly ash bricks have greater strength than as compared to the red bricks. So difference between the red bricks and the fly ash bricks is very common. The modules, hence the uniform shape in the fly ash bricks, whereas clay bricks have there is shape, but it is managed by mostly it is 95% by handmade and some differences there. Clay bricks are more porous than the fly ash bricks. Fly ash bricks are lighter in weight and less costly in the clay bricks. Fly ash bricks are made of waste of material which come from the combustion of the coal in the thermal power plant. Clay bricks are made of clay which are collected from the fertile land of the topsoil. So this is the prime reason that makes fly ash bricks more preferable than the clay bricks. In all aspects, the fly ash bricks are better than the clay bricks. Uh, they are environmental friendly because the maximum constituents of the fly ash and the fly ash bricks has greater strength as compared to the clay bricks. Fly ash bricks advantage due to the perfect size and the saving cement mortar for the making walls and the plastering is by 20 to 40% in the safe side. Strengths to be strength of applied plus lot of similar plaster of Paris putty can be applied directly on without uh, making cost of the plaster. Uh, Lower water penetration in the clay bricks. High strength can be used in the load-bearing walls. Eco-friendly can be used by the fly ash bricks. Fly ash bricks about the some disadvantage of fly ash. What are the disadvantage? Number one is bonding is lower due to the smooth finished surface. It can be easily corrected by using cement and the chipping and to make the surface rough and the sand ratio 1.1 to 4 ratio and the proper curing and also quality of sand needs to be checked. Clay bricks advantage. Clay bricks is high temperature and the weakly acidic alkaline slag erosion resistance to a bit weak, but calcium aluminate content increased in thermal stability. The bricks, magnesia bricks are the well known as compared to the other bricks. After the loss of appreciable quantity, clay bricks vacuum impression process phosphoric impregnated low temperature uh, firing of secondary products is can be used masonry lining, blast furnace, and the body portion. Clay bricks disadvantage uneven shape, labor attention, insufficient kind of the coal fired pollution, cutting agricultural land, and the pollution and the eco-environmental also disadvantage. There are also physical property, a comparison density 1600 to 1750 kg per cubic meter, and whereas in fly ash 1700 to 18,050 kg per cubic meter. This is the higher load bearing, and both are the higher load bearing. Compressive strength 30 to 35 kg per centimeter square after 28 days design strength, whereas fly ash 90 to 100 kg per centimeter square, which is very higher. Water absorption 15 to 25% in red bricks, and fly ash has 10 to 14% less also, very less as compared to the red bricks. Dimension very low tolerance, fly ash high tolerance, wastage up to 10% in the red bricks, fly ash up to 2%. Plastering thickness vary from on the both walls because it needs to make the surface little bit rough. So fly ash also the roughness of the surface need to be attention. Fly ash bricks play a performance mixing of fly ash, sand, cement, gypsum, and lime with the help of brick making machines in a large number of quantities per day. Red bricks manufactured by mixing of soil, topsoil, fertile, and in handmade molds, and sometimes it is 100% manually operated. Labor cost also increasing more than the other bricks. The strength of the fly ash is up to 2000 psi. The strength of the red bricks is 1600 psi, which is very big difference in both strength. The water absorption, the ratio is 6 to 12%, is very low in fly ash, whereas the ratio of the water absorption in the red bricks as compared to the fly ash bricks is 20 to 25%. Already we discussed. Fly ash bricks is very light in weight, 2.6 kg to 3 kg in the weight. Due to this, the overall dead load of the building is decreased, which is one of the major advantage. The weight of the red bricks is more 3 to 5 kg, and the structural load is higher in such building using the red bricks in a construction. The shape of the fly ash bricks is uniform and the color is grey, due to which they require less plastering during the construction of the building's grey structure. Hence, the cost of the effective building material, the size of the red bricks is not uniform and available in a red bricks in the orange color. Therefore, the required more plastering qualities as compared to the fly ash. Fly ash bricks are eco-friendly, have the good fire resistance and the sound insulation properties. Red bricks is the contrary, have less than the such properties. So this is the difference and the comparison between fly ash and the clay bricks. So fly ash brick is the new material coming in the alternate of the red bricks, which is mostly the land articles and the regulations are strict now as compared to achieve the raw materials. So this we have the alternate of clay bricks. We have the fly ash materials. It can be used. It is not a bad material as compared to the clay materials. This is also substitute material of the construction. You can fill the gap in any of the deficiencies. So this was the briefing about the fly ash bricks, which is new material in the market, can be used. So hopefully next video we will discuss about the new subject. So thank you very much and have a nice day.